Celebrity Get Me Out of Here starts today, Sunday, in just a few hours' time. And I thought, you know what? Let's do a Scout spin-off. If I sent the Scout ambassadors to the jungle and I could choose the food menu, what would I feed them? Let's dive in. But before that, let's get ready for So there are 12 Scout ambassadors and I've got 12 foods. So we're going to give them the classic rice and beans, but I'm going to pick these out and I only can pick one Scout ambassador that meal was going to go to. Then they're wiped out, yeah? Quick slurp of tea. And away we go. Black pudding. Who would get black pudding? Looking at my list, I think, shall we be kind? Let's give that to Tim Peake. That was a hard one. Tim Peake, you're going to get the black pudding. The next one is sheep brain. Yes, let's give that to the mighty Ed Stafford. Don't know why I did that in X Factor style voice. So Ed gets the sheep brain. Next one. Pigs trotters. Shall we go? Shall it be nasty? Let's give that. I'm looking at my list. I'm thinking Chris Evans. So if you're going to play this with your scouts, maybe like instead of the Scout ambassadors, use Scout leaders or young leaders or something. Add that to the list. Right, we've got, oh god, fermented tofu. Tofu? I'm going to give that to Anita Rani. Anita gets the tofu. Sorry, Anita. Right, next one. A few more to go. I know they're getting worse, so I'm trying to remember. Oh god. Vomit fruit. That is just disgusting. Have you ever seen it? Smelt it? If we had smell-o-vision, it's just revolting. Vomit fruit. Sorry, that's going to be Helen Glover. Helen, sorry. You're going to get the vomit fruit. What do we got next? Alligator snakes. Alligator snakes? Alligator steaks. I'm going to give that to the lovely Julia Bradbury. I think she will love some alligator steaks. Julia's going to get that. Who's going to get what? Scotch eggs. Oh, for me, Scotch eggs would be like the Bushtucker trial. Worst thing for me because I hate eggs. I'm going to give that to Sarah. We love Sarah. We're going to be nice to Sarah. Tripe. Ellie Simmons of Strictly Come Dancing. Ellie Simmons, sorry. You're going to get tripe. That only leaves Dwayne, Steve, Megan, Warwick. Crocodile penis. Dwayne, I'm sorry, my friend. As much as I love you, we're good mates. You're going to get the crocodile. Kangaroo tail. I think kangaroo tail is going to go to Megan Hind. That's not too bad. I think kangaroo tail won't be too bad, actually. Oh. Fish eyes. I reckon Steve Backshaw. Right, last but not least. Witchetty grubs. Warwick. Sorry, man. You get the witchetty grubs. Ugh. So if you're playing out along at home, would you have picked those foods to those Scout ambassadors? Was I wrong? Was I naughty? Was I evil? So a spin-off, as I say, if you can play this at Scouts, you could use maybe Scout leaders and all the section leaders, maybe introduce the young leaders and have a bit of fun and get the Scouts to pick those bushcraft nasties to those leaders, and you'll find out who the Scouts like the most, because I'm pretty sure my Scouts would give me, like, I don't know, the sheep's brain or the fish eyes. But for me personally, it would be Scotch eggs. That would be like the worst thing I could ever do. So there you go, guys, a bit of fun with I'm a Celebrity. Get me out of here. Hey, don't forget, I've got part 2 coming up of how you can do your very own Bushtucker trials in your Scout group. See you next time here on Big Man in the Woods.